It's G from Main and Murray. I'm here with Simon Cotton, the CEO of Johnson's of Elgin. Now, I lived out in Slovakia for a long period of time, and I know that Simon also managed a company out there. What can you tell us about the differences between business out in Slovakia, in that part of Europe, and work here in Scotland?
I think we've got a very different attitude now. So we have a relationship with our workforce that they're the innovators, they're the ones who are driving things forward. In Slovakia, we're probably where we were in Scotland 30 years ago in a lot of ways, in terms of you've got very much command and control. You know, you have the boss with a big stick almost, and a workforce who are not particularly keen to be there. That's changing. It's changing really fast for them, and there's some brilliant people there, but we should take advantage of what we have, which is a complete innovation culture around all our team.
Absolutely. And one thing that I noticed about the workforce, the companies, the cultures here, is that I think that Britain and Scotland specifically are experts at marketing, experts at taking an idea and putting it out there, especially something that's new, and getting it out to the world and sharing it with people. What's your perspective?
I think when we're at our best, you know, that we're as good as anybody in the world. You know, we make superb quality, we take delivery and ensuring we meet our promises. We take that very seriously, and we can be great innovators as well. So we can do everything that Germans can do in terms of quality and reliability, and we can do everything that Italians and French can do in terms of flair and creativity. So when we get it right, we're as good as anybody or better than anybody in the world.